Hello everyone, in this video we'll be discussing a question that is related to algebra, and it is a structured question which is made up of few concepts. One of the concepts which we'll be dealing with is quadratic equation, and then division, and then factors. Okay, so without any further ado, let's start. So as you can see, the question says variable a to the power 9 plus a to the power 6 is equals to 36. Okay, so first I can get 36 to left hand side and rewrite the equation as equals to 0. Okay, right. So now let us assume that a to the power 3 is equals to some variable t. Okay, therefore I can rewrite this equation as t to the power 3 plus, or let me write it this way, I can write a cube whole thing to the power 3. Okay, because power to the power gets multiplied, so I can write 9 as a power 3 plus I can write 6 as a cube to the power 2 minus 36 equals to 0. This is using laws of exponents. Okay, now we have assumed a power 3 is equals to t, therefore our final equation becomes t cube plus t square minus 36 equals to 0. Alright, now here we have a cubic equation. Now how do we factorize a cubic equation? We have to look for the constant term. And what are the factors of 36? 1, 2, 3, 4, isn't it? 6, then you have 9, right? And then we have 12, and then we have 18, right? So by trial and error method, we see that at t equals to 3, when t is equals to 3, we have 3 cube plus 3 square minus 36. 3 cube is 27 plus 9 minus 36 equals to 0, right? So t equals to 3 is one of the solutions of this cubic equation, right? So cubic equation, when the degree is 3, we will get 3 solutions, isn't it? Now if t equals to 3 is the solution, the 0, right, we know that t minus 3 will be factor of t cube plus t square minus 36. Alright, so now in order to find the remaining two values, all I have to do is just divide this t cube plus t square minus 36 with t minus 3, right? So we have to divide this. So now t into t square will give me t cube, and then minus 3t square, and when I subtract these, minus and sign will change, these two terms cancels out. T square plus 3t square is 4t square minus 36 we get. Now again when we multiply with 4t, right, plus 4t, so 4t times t is 4t square, and then 4 into 3 is minus 12t, and then again we subtract, so sign will change, minus plus cancels out. Now we have 12t minus 36. Again we can simplify it further, writing plus t into what will give me 12t, positive 12. So I'll get 12t minus 36, and therefore when we subtract, sign changes, we get the remainder as 0. Therefore we can say finally t minus 3 into quotient is t square plus 4t plus 12, right? Now t minus 3 is one of the factors. Now we have to factorize this equation. Okay, now if you see this quadratic equation, the question t square plus 4t plus 12, let's see the discriminant of this. Okay, discriminant is defined as b square minus 4ac, right? So now when I solve this, b is basically 4 square minus 4, a is the coefficient of t square which is 1, and c is 12. So I see here that it is 16 minus 48, which is actually negative 32, and it is less than 0. So what do we mean by discriminant less than 0? That means no real solution, no real root, or you can say no real solution, right? So our only solution is t equals to 3. right? And since we have assumed t is equals to a cube, therefore we have to find the value of a. Therefore a to the power 3 is equals to 3. Therefore a equals to 3 power 1 by 3 is our only solution. So I hope friends you like this concept. If you like this video, do share with your friends and do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.